Hi, today I'm making an easy chop suey. So, after a wonderful week of starches, I thought it'd be great to have a nice, easy veggie meal. So, I'm beginning with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a quarter cup of sliced carrots, or these are baby carrots. I have a large garlic clove chopped, and I'm gonna saute my garlic and my carrots. The carrots take a little longer to cook, so we start with them. I do 1/8 of a cup of green bell pepper, as well as a half of a medium-sized onion, and so I've just sliced that into my saute pan, and I'm using probably 1 zucchini here. So I just have cut it in half and I've sliced it, salt and pepper to taste. I've added, and then I'm just going to again cook these vegetables slightly. Next, I'm going to add at least 2 cups of bean sprouts to this vegetable dish. And I've already rinsed them and placed them in the saute pan. I'm adding, I want to say, probably a tablespoon of soy sauce because I've done a couple of shakes. And then I know it's about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. That kind of gives it a nice flavor. And I'm going to, again, mix these ingredients together. And once it's done, which literally probably takes 12 minutes after it's all done, it's ready to serve. It's a perfect weeknight meal. It's definitely less than 30 minutes and a welcome change at this time of year.